Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Doing an update, doing a small upgrade to my Bug 30. What I'm gonna do is we're taking off the links, putting the new updated round links by Injora. This is a loud transmission, don't like how it's sounding. It sounds like the gears are not meshed right, so I'm gonna put a brand new Injora aluminum drive shaft in, transmission rather, to update this, upgrade this. So stay tuned and we'll see how it comes out. All right guys, completed the upgrades. The first thing is I took the links like that off, the aluminum links, and put these nice round aluminum links on, steel links. They look awesome. They'll do better on rocks, and you're not gonna be able to see it, but I just put the aluminum Injora drive train on transmission. It's still loud. I tried different things, lubed it, whatnot. Still gonna be loud, but it is what it is. It still performs really great. It's just loud. But again, we'll get these on the rocks sooner than later. And until the next one, thanks for watching, guys.